Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds from Upwork to Payoneer, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer funds from Upwork to Payoneer, first, log into your Upwork account. Navigate to the Reports section in the top menu. Click on Overview to view your current earnings. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available to withdraw. Next, locate the Get Paid Now button. Select this button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be redirected to the Get Paid page. Here, choose Payoneer as your preferred payment method. If Payoneer is not already linked, you will need to do so. Follow the prompts to connect your Payoneer account. Once connected, return to the Get Paid page. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to Payoneer. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Get Paid button to confirm the transfer. A confirmation message will appear indicating the request has been submitted. Next, log into your Payoneer account to check for incoming funds. Transactions may take a few hours to process. You will receive a notification from Payoneer once the funds are available. Ensure your Payoneer account is verified for smooth transactions. If you encounter any issues, visit Upwork's Help Center for assistance. Your funds will now be successfully transferred from Upwork to Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.